Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can use Google Translator application in Facebook Messenger. Friends, please put your likes. Also write comments at the end of the video and be sure to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. And let's say if you have messages in the Facebook Messenger app that you don't understand. They're in some other language. Then I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So, go to that message. Then click on the message and copy it. Click Copy and then go to the Google Translator app. If you don't have it, then you'll need to go to the App Store or Google Play on your phone. In the search box, you see Google Translator. Click on it, and here instead of Open, you'll see Download. Download this app once it's fully installed on your phone. After that, open it. And then tap Insert. And now click here, where you'll need to choose a language. That is, if you don't know what language it is that you need to translate to your language, then you will need to select this function, Define Language. Click on that, and then select the language that you want. And as you can see, right away you have a translation of that sentence. This is the very simple method. Friends, you can easily use Google Translator in Facebook Messenger. Friends, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.